How to delete search history on Netflix. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I will simply guide you on how you can actually delete search history on Netflix, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now, you have to understand that Netflix doesn't keep track of its search history, and I can prove that to you because if you open up Netflix, right? Once you open up Netflix, then if you're talking about deleting a search history, you have to understand that Netflix doesn't track its search history. If you're talking about, if I tap the search button from the top right, you will see all these searches. These are not the searches you've made. These are simply the top searches that are made by people around your locality that is actually watching the similar shows. That is why they're being able to see this. These are the top searches, just like how you have the explore and trending section on YouTube, right? That's not something you search. That's something all the people search. That's why it's on trending. Similar is the case with the top searches that people are actually searching for. This is not a search history. Netflix doesn't keep track of your search history. The only thing it tracks is actually your viewing history. You can delete your viewing history by coming to continue watching, tapping on the three dots icon, selecting the option called remove from row, and it will be successfully removed from the row as well. So hope this video answered your question as to how you can delete a search history, but keep in mind Netflix doesn't keep track of your search history. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have got any questions though, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching and see you in the next video.